Here's how to get a State Farm quote without calling an agent. First, open up any web browser and go to statefarm.com. Here, click on the option of Get a Quote. Now you want to select your product. After that, enter your zip code. Once you have entered both of these details, click on Start a Quote. Now you will have to enter your personal details here. Start by entering your first name, then enter your last name. Now enter your street address, city, zip code, and state. Now enter your date of birth. Then type in your email address. Enter your policy start date. Now check this box that says you have read and acknowledged this disclosure. Now click on the Start Your Quote option. Next, you will have to input your asset details. Then add driver's or property occupant details. Once you have entered all the details, you want to submit this. Once the data is analyzed, State Farm will display a baseline pricing tier. Use the interactive on-screen slider to adjust your deductibles and toggle for extra protection like roadside assistance. The estimated monthly premium will adjust in real time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.